Hey, good morning. This is Frela from Any House Cleaning. We were hired just to do one bedroom and the stairs in this house. The carpets are in really bad shape. We really here. They need to extend. The carpet is old, really bad condition. You can see that. The minimum charge to clean this area. All the carpet is broken, old. This couple has a pet. There is some organic stains. The minimum charge is $125. We are gonna spraying the product that I'm using by Saiger's Ecap Double strength encapsulation. I didn't bring my phonics because it's too big, so I bring a small scrubber. I'm gonna use a champagne pad to scrub, and then the blue pad and the white. I'm gonna suggest the owner of this house why not to remove the carpet and instead putting another carpet, put a vinyl flooring. The roll is cheap, we can do the job. So let's see what he said. For next time, we're gonna start pre-spraying all the area and then scrub. I'm using a Craftsman battery handheld sprayer to spread the product by Saiger's Ecap 2X. I'm using my small scrubber because it's a small area. This carpet is an uneven surface because you can see a lot of lumps, bumps, or wrinkles on the carpet. On the entry of the carpet was broken, and on the entry between the bathroom and the room, because it's just one room, was broken too. So this couple needs a stretching carpet. But why they didn't stretch the carpet? Because it was old, because it's broken. They just want to look better than it is. We use the champagne pad to scrub the carpet with our little scrubber, and we scrub so many times, and we collect a lot of black pet hair. The owner of the house has a beautiful black dog, and we use the tub and we rinse the pad, the champagne pad. You can see some black spots, that is pet hair. We put it back, the champagne pad again, squeeze all the dirt, the water, and we put back the champagne pad and start scrubbing again the carpet, especially in the entry between the hallway and the one single bedroom. That's the master bedroom. The carpet, you can see a lot of wrinkles, a lot of bumps. It's uneven. When the carpet is uneven, when the carpet is old, the dust collect an uneven surface. Before doing this procedure, we were using our Kirby Centria vacuum, and we vacuum a lot. Then we vacuum with the chalk back all the corners. You will see somewhere in this video when Jose was vacuuming the edges. Then I use again the blue pad to continue scrubbing and absorbing all the dirt. This machine is old but works fantastic. I didn't bring my phonics because second floor, a small space, uneven carpet, wrinkles all over. So I prefer to use this machine that is heavy and heavier. You can see right there to Jose vacuum the edges. This machine is heavier than the orbital Orec, and I prefer this one too. Even though it's heavy, it will remove more dirt, and it's easy for me to clean this carpet. So we did the best that we could. The owner was happy with the service. It took us a long, sometimes very low moisture. I think that it takes more time than hot water extraction. I didn't want to use the truck mount because the house was occupied. The couple was getting in and out to the house. Senior people living in that house too. So I didn't recommend the hot water extraction. It's amazing how much dirt we collect from just one single room. Amazing. I use 3 white pads. Those pads are from Trinity OP Oxy business company, where I bought our phonics. And that's the Gladiator pad. It's a cotton blend, really good pad to remove all the soil and even for mopping. So we use 3 Gladiators white cotton blend pads and 1 blue pad that has a scrubbing action. That was the first load of water to rinse our pads. And when I checked the water, it was really black. On the bottom of the tub, I see some soil, sand, dirt, that I even have to put more water and rinse the tub with my hand. And then we use the same product, the same procedure to do the stairs. I didn't want to use the whole water extraction for the stair either because it was a lot of people traffic on the stairs, senior people, so don't get too wet. Sometimes we have a really good clients that have huge houses, better carpets, and sometimes they just hire us for one single bedroom. It's up to the client. Our minimum fee for one area is $125. But because we are close, we are in Davenport, Florida, and we serve Champions Gate and Davenport. That's the second load. Imagine that. We do the job, and everybody happy. So this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and you can contact me at 407-572-4118. We even put some foam blocks under the desk, under the chair, under the night tables. You can see the blue squares to protect the carpet from the furniture. Those squares are to protect the wood getting damaged the carpet. Right now, Jose was using our dual polisher brush by Cyclone or by Rupes and scrubbing the carpet, and then using again the white pad to dry. Thank you for watching us.